Good morning, everybody, or good evening, wherever you're part of this world or earth. The video today is what is the earth? The earth is for us, or uh, not for us. Okay, let's find out. The earth, this where we are walking around on the ground, that is the earth. Earth composed of ground, sand, rock, water, and everything's on there. And the earth, there are several name or to call the earth. There is a universe. There is the third one is, the first one is earth, the second is universe, the third one is ground, and the fourth one is world. So this words, different words, but only one point, but different. There is also what you call different, a little bit meaning. So God said that what I said. God will make a new earth and new heaven. Is that right? Let's find out. The earth, God said, this earth, where what I pointing out, the earth where the trees and the river, oceans is on there, including everything's on there. That is the earth. And God said He make the earth established. It will not be destroyed. He established forever. So meaning He established very well this earth, meaning standing forever. That's word is not a lying to all people around the world. So when the people is growing, make what I mean, making a lot of generations, that those generation, they call it world. That world, the meaning of that world is the earth, and also the second is the communities of the human being. So the Bible, first thing first, God gave informations or orders to the angels, or transmitted to the angels, and angels handed to the all mediator, including Jesus Christ, prophet, apostles, and everybody on this world. God will not talk to you directly, because if God talk to you directly, 100% you will die. So the apostle who wrote the Bible, one of the book of the Bibles, it said that there will become a new heaven and new earth. Okay, that is right. That is good. But there is, because God sent the angels, of course, not only one angels, only one kinds. There are two kinds of angels in front of God in this time and long time ago. The one is they call it Satan, the opposer of God. He don't follow Jehovah God. So what is the what is the connection between Satan and the other one is the holy angels? There is a big connection involved. Satan, he want to stop the purpose of God in order people around the world will go with him to the punishment that God is scheduled this coming soon. So to make it short story, Satan, according the book of the Bible, masquerade of angels of light. Masquerade, meaning he cover his face very good, so nobody knows that he deceived people. Okay, how did I know that Satan will take over once the angel is coming up, coming down? Jesus Christ give information for us that he said, Nathaniel, you are wonder, because Nathaniel he don't believe it in that time of Thomas Christ. Wind. Also the wind, they call it air wind. Okay. The store. Oh, stop it. So the Nathaniel, he don't believe it. Sometimes normal is a human being. So to make it short story, Jesus Christ took to the Nathaniel. Nathaniel, you are wonder that the door of the heaven will open up and the angel of God will coming down and coming up for the Son of Man. He don't say it for the Son of God, because in that time he didn't yet they call it enunciations. Not yet. He don't yet pass the test for qualification for Christ. That's why they said in the book, Jesus Christ ate milk, butter, and honey up to the time or to the point that he knows how to decide, how to identify the evil works and good works. That is the real story. Okay, we continue. So there is angels, or there are angels from Jehovah coming for the Son of God, meaning for him brought his information for Jesus Christ. What? The angel is speaking in behalf of Jesus Christ. Yes, you heard right. I will give you an example. The serpent, when the time of Adam's or Eve's, serpent, it will not speak in literal situation. Serpent is made out of the dust, the same as but their face not the same God. We are the same image of God. There are two only, is angels and you and me. But the serpent, all animals and bird, insects, they are not the same, the face of Jehovah. But the flesh, the same. Everybody the same. That God create all insect, animal, human being from the dust. Okay. The serpent is speaking to Eve, and Eve answered because the serpent is talking to her. And the serpent said, "What God said to you? You will die if you eat this fruit." And of course, serious. Serious answer. If yes, I will die if I eat this fruit. The serpent answered, "You will not die. If you eat this fruit, your mind, your eyes open up, meaning understanding will open up. You will be like a God." And Eve is when he heard open eyes and the same God, because as he said, so that's why he grabbed the fruit. To make it short story, serpent is speaking to Eve, but in reality, that is not a fake. That is spoken. The angel is spoke in behalf of the serpent. That is the first one, fruit. The second, the horse. One of the king going to somewhere, and he want to pass like a corridor, meaning like a gate. But there is an angel standing. Angel, the purpose from God that don't go there. Might be there something happen or wherever. And then the horse, when he whip the horse, because the horse don't go anywhere, the horse speaking to the king, and he answered too. But in reality, the angel is speaking in behalf of the horse. That is the reality. The third one is the dove, the white dove. When Jesus Christ baptized, there is a white dove singing in the clouds, and they heard the voice from the heaven. Heaven, you cannot say it, the heaven. The dove is speaking in behalf of the angels speaking in behalf of the dove, and or it won't speak to you, but the angels speaking in behalf of the dove. You cannot see it, the heaven. What? The one right there, that's not heaven. That is the clouds, part of the heavenly bodies. But in reality, you cannot see it. Where's God's life? Of course, human beings sometimes over speak. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fruit that the angels represent or speaking in behalf of somebody. So the same story, Jesus Christ. God will not speak to Jesus Christ because Jesus Christ is human being. So angel is speaking in behalf of Jesus Christ. That is real. That's the story. So the angels brought the information to everybody, and after there's sometimes angel going back. So when the angels of God going back to the heaven, the angels of masquerade of angels of light, he will take over. The Satan masquerade of angels of light, he will take over to talk Jesus Christ in behalf of Jesus Christ, or somebody else, the one who wrote the I think of Apostle Peter. Peter is in reality, if you check the background check of Peter, is no good. He is liar. He is liar apostle, right? The background, if you know who is Peter, the apostle of Jesus Christ, I will protect you until to die, until I will die. I will protect you. That's what I said. Okay, the time is coming. Jesus Christ is almost because of his blood for the represent of a born offering. And Peter, confronting, I know you. Oh, no. I am not. And third times he cursing that he don't know Jesus Christ. See, he cursing, he's lying, he denying. So that is the human being. Oh, normal. That's normal. Human being. Okay. Peter said, God will make a new heaven and new earth, and the old earth and old heaven will pass away. Some of the words in the Bible wrote will be burned until to down, meaning burned up to the ashes. Let's find out. This earth, literally earth, God said, I will build the earth indefinite. It meaning it will not shake or will not be broken. That is Jehovah said words spoken somewhere in the King of David, the Psalms. Okay, Satan, he knows he watching angel of God going up. He take over, talking to the apostle Peter, and Peter wrote in the Bible that the earth, there is a new earth and new heaven, and the old earth will be vanished, will be burned down. So what is the world meaning? The second meaning is this earth, and the first one is earth, and the second is the community of people. So these people around the world, if they are not qualified of requirements of God Jehovah, they will be vanished, they will be perished, those who are not qualified for his standard requirements. That is real. So the translator, backed up by minister of Satan's masquerade of righteousness, that is those who are translator of the Bible, and also the pastor, subscribe, praise, fit defender, whoever it is, the believing that this earth will be burned down and make a new one. That is the Satan's minister of Satan's, and the translator, he backed up this and he said, you have to read this one. And he wrote this one. That's why people around the world, they believe it that this earth will be gone and they want to go heaven. That's why if you're listening, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, the church, everywhere they preaching that this, you will go heaven. God will not invite you 100%, because what is the purpose God invite you to heaven? If you see God wherever your fart coming out, that's what it's thinking, you will die. And also the second, there's nothing come out of you. That is the deceiving teaching. That is the trick. So people innocent, they might be grabbed by the sweet words that they offer, that you will go heaven. That is not true. This earth full of life. The animals, the insects, birds, all trees, flowers, water, there is a life. If you see the tree, it look like not, there's no life, but there's a life, but different. There is no blood like us, the red color. They have a life too, but different way. I don't know what is the call it, but if you cut that tree, it will no longer alive. It will die. So meaning, this whole earth, under the earth, under the water, our life. So we are human being made out of the dust. We are designed, God designed us to live on earth. God will not design us to live on earth, out heaven. Satan invite you to go heaven. Right? You heard right. God said, Jesus said, if you believe Jesus Christ, Jesus said, if you believe my Father and who sent his Son, everyone has life. There's no exemptions. Some people they said, okay, 144,000 will go heaven. And then they said, now some people died, they call it member of 144,000 now in the heaven right now. No, that is the trick that you heard from some religions, especially Jehovah's Witnesses. No, that is wrong. Nobody can go heaven 100%. And Jehovah God invite you to live, to have everlasting life on earth, and nothing come out of you. Once we are all die, there's nobody come out inside you. Jesus Christ did that, said, some people they said, a soul or a spirit from your inside will come out and go heaven, transport to spirit or wherever it is. They cannot explain which one come out. They said spirit. And Jesus Christ, he said, they don't say it, love Jehovah with all your spirit within you, because that is one going to heaven. See? And Jesus Christ, he said, if you hold my words, you are my disciples, and you will know the truth, and that truth will set you free, my friend. That is reality. What is His word? He don't say it, love Jehovah with all your spirit and you will transform to angels, because in the heaven are the one who live in the heaven is His Father of Jesus Christ and the holy angels and nothing else. Because how did I know? He said, if you shy me to go over around our neighbors to preach the good news, I will shy you to my Father who is in the heaven and also the holy angels. He don't say it nothing. There is three or two God in the heaven, or I will shy the first God and the second God and the holy angels. Okay, now if there's somebody come out you or spirit, meaning you become an angel? Nah. Jesus said, if you are born spirit, you are spirit. And if you are born flesh, you are flesh. You born spirit. Oh, you born you born flesh. Because you are creating from God, creating from the dust, and the dust you will go back again. That is the reality. Okay. The earth that is designed literally, that God designed for everybody. God designed us to live on earth. God did not design you to live under the ground. God did not design you to live under the water like a fish. Fish is different from us. We can swim, but we cannot stay there for 1 month without the apparatus with you. You know what I'm talking about. So God designed you to live on earth, on upon the grounds of earth. That is the reality of my friends. So there are many words come out: earth, universe, world, ground. There are more than four, I think. But Satan's deceiving you that this world or this earth will be vanished, will be burned down, and God will make a new earth. That is wrong. Satan's that is speaking. God will not destroy this earth, because He said in Psalms that David wrote that the earth, this earth, literally earth, where I standing, will stand forever. Indefinite. So might be the translator he used the earth, but the pointing is the world, the society who living on earth will be destroyed, because it's look like you build a house, a mansion, very expensive, and you renting the mansion, and that mansion very good, expensive, and somebody live right there and they make like a bare house, so dirty all over the corner. And what you gonna do if you are the owner of the house? You gonna burn down the expensive mansion? That is wrong. You have to clean it up. You have to take it out. Those who are rental, cleaning up inside your house and redo the painting, everything. to make it brand new again. That is the example that on earth. The earth will, God will cleaning up. That's what he said. The righteous will inherit the earth, and the devil or the bad people will be perished, become a fertilizer of the earth. That's all about it. So the whole righteousness of the whole world, that who follow the rules of Jehovah, the new commandment, that is will inherit of this earth. And the bad people who don't believe Jehovah will become fertilizer and fertilizers of the ground. That's all. We are all go back to the ground, to the dust. But Jehovah, he said, if you are fear Jehovah, your name wrote in the book of life. Once the scheduled judgment day finish, Jehovah will wake you up, because in front of Jehovah you are sleeping. That's all, my friend. How did I know? Jesus said the young lady is sleeping. He didn't die. That's what he said. So if you are believing Jehovah and Jesus Christ, who is his anointed one, you, once we are die, you are in front of Jehovah, you are sleeping in front of Jehovah. That's it, man. I will wrap up this video. The earth will stand forever, but the one wrote in the Bible that will perish, that is the word of Satan, that trick in you and deceiving you by his ministry of righteousness. Okay, my friend, I am introducing myself. I am Jehovah's servant, organizers and revealing the truth, and the truth will set you free, my friend. If you like, follow me, subscribe, share and like, so everybody will know that the truth. And of course, upcoming video, there are a lot of video topic to reveal the truth, that the people around the world, they cover the reality. Have a good night or good morning. God Jehovah bless you in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you very much. Bye bye now.